for dinner we've come to this place called Babbo in Koh Samui. It is so cool in here, like it's literally like you're set within the jungle. Like look at this. I'll have to get some better footage on the way out. So we've gone for sweet potato fries, and then I can't remember what this is called, chicken karaji or something. It's a Japanese chicken, and then a spicy chicken gyoza. These are something like cheesy truffle croquettes. How amazing do they look with the little flowers?